everybody. Today we're going to be installing a couple parts that you can say they are like accents to the car. They are in a very cool color, and what I'm going to be installing is this. These are the SICKSPEED tow hook, rear tow hook, and the rear wiper delete. I bought them in Neochrome because I have a couple things in the car that are Neochrome, like the lug nuts. The lug nuts are Neochrome. And the catch can, oil catch can, is Neochrome. So I decided to go with that color accent for the car, for the whole theme of the car. There's gonna be a couple more parts in Neochrome. Nothing over the top. I don't want to get a bunch of Neochrome on the car, just a couple accents here and there, you know, details, you know, a couple details, just that's it. So we're gonna be installing this beautiful piece. This is beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Can't wait to get it on the car. It comes with these two rings that you have to get one on each side. With you have to get them stick together with this tape, double-sided tape provided by them. And then we have the rear wiper delete. It's very, very simple. So that's what we're gonna be doing. First we're gonna do this, and the last is gonna be the tow hook. So I'm gonna show you how to get, more or less, how to get the rear wiper out. I know there's not many videos out there showing you how to do it, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's not that difficult. So but yeah, I'm gonna show you how to remove it and then install the wiper delete and then the tow hook. So let's get it started. Okay, have a hand, a couple of these trim and molding tools, non-scraping stuff, so you can, you know, pry on them and not get them messed up like a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. You can use it, but you're gonna mess the plastic up. Maybe it's not 100% sure, but you can mess it up. But these things work wonders. Okay, be on the lookout here. This area is gonna be a pain in the ass to get it out. Let me put some light on it. All right, this area, it broke. It's like a clip here that will be holding. It will be holding like this right here. That clip. And it's a pain in the butt to get it out. But once you get it out, it will fall off. On the other side, I didn't have to do anything. It fell off. So, but yeah, be careful. This is the first time for me doing this, so from my mistake, You can learn. So let's keep going. Okay, now we're gonna be removing the wiper arm. So to remove it, just lift this up and mosquito and remove the nut. Just remove that, and then we're gonna remove the motor. And it fell off. Okay, here's a better view. That's 1, 2, and 3. And the connector is this one. It's not that one. Nice. The way you put this thing is, this is the spot. This is the factory tow hook. So all you do is extending the tow hook. It goes right here. All right, I'm gonna put it on the other side. Put it here, and then use this other part on the other side, and then grab it with the provided bolts. So let's do that. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Tow hook install, wiper delete. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something from it. Anything. So thanks for watching. Subscribe please, and hit the like button. I will appreciate it. It's gonna help me a lot. And I see you guys on the next one. Take care.